What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, there's something really going on at Uthandwa Temple. It's so small, but it's right there in front of everybody. It's the silent war between Mangwabe and Mayeni. You know, they are using these silent tactics they are using to outdo each other. And you know, the purpose of these silent tactics is to try and gain Musa Mseleko's favor. If you look at it, they are sort of like manipulation tactics, that they're employing to try and get Mseleku on their side. These tactics, they are, if you've seen some of these, like trying to play hard to get, sort of like trying to be unavailable, some subtle gestures, choice of words, trying not to be available so that Musa Mseleku can chase them more and more. And the big problem that is there is that Musa Mseleku is like caught in the middle, and is unaware of the extent of the tension in itself. So you see that Musa Mseleku here is the prize, but he is a player, in this battle, he's like the ball, and he's not even seeing that, and that's why, he ended up getting sick. I don't know, the episode in Uthandwa Temple there. It is because, of this tension between Mangwabe and Mayeni that are just pulling in different directions. Macele and Makumalo, they don't have any problems, but it's these two, Mangwabe and Mayeni, that are just pulling in opposite directions. This tension, it ends up, disrupting the family harmony, leading to mistrust, divided loyalties, and so many things. So who is winning in all of this? Neither wife, has a clear upper hand here. But what I see happening in the future, is a reconciliation playing out, openly between Mangwabe and Mayeni, with Macele and Makumalo, just being observant, like what was really going on here. So it's like going to be exposed right at the end, you see. I'll catch you guys on the next